Hi everyone, I'm Angie Kellen with MCA Public Relations. Today I'm in Santa Clara, California at the 3rd International Solar Energy Technology Conference. The ISETC is a premier conference focusing on innovative technologies that are driving the PV industry. Today's event includes many speakers as well as a panel. And with me is one of the speakers, Dr. Bozena Kaminska. She is the Canada Research Chair and founder of IDMe. Welcome, Dr. Kaminska.
Thank you very much.
Can you tell us a little bit about IDMe?
Yes, IDMe Technologies is a startup company which is a spin-off from my research at university. I have two business partners, Doc Blakeway and Clint Landrock, and we are developing together a number of different technologies. And today I presented actually our organic photovoltaics and polymer storage devices.
Well, speaking of that, can you give us some highlights for those of us that weren't able to join the presentation, some high-level views of what you talked about today?
Yes, today I was talking about a very practical system which we innovated at university and took this to the company, which is basically using plastic, polymer, and to print very inexpensive, cost-effective system which includes solar energy harvesting, basically, and also storage. Our innovation is actually in developing those polymer solar cells by using very new technology of building cathodes, and this way our technology is stable, very cost effective, and the nice thing about this that we can print this with almost no cost. So we are very excited, and I think all participants really like this presentation. I think a lot of questions and interest. And I think that as we had many questions in this area as well, people were interested if we are ready for market and for marketing and for sale. And the answer actually was that yes, we just start to basically scaling up our production and printing them, and it's a very exciting moment for us.
Well, your presentation was very exciting, and like you had mentioned, there were a lot of questions at the end, so this is a very popular topic. One other question for you before I let you go, and I know you're extremely busy. How was the conference for you? I know after giving your presentation, before the presentation, what is your take on today's conference?
For me, it was very interesting because it is a unique place when you can have in very short time a lot of information in the specific subject of solar cells. So there was a number of very interesting topics about silicon-based or similar materials cells. I was very glad and very happy that only myself presented actually polymer printed plastic electronics. So it was different, but I really enjoyed and I learned a lot from other presentations, from companies like products presentations, professor likes fundamental presentations. So it was much more interesting and better than I expected, actually.
Well, we're very happy to hear that, and we're even more pleased that you could be with us today. You add to the very high level of speakers that were here. We appreciate your time.
Thank you very much again. Thank you.
In Santa Clara, Angie Kellen for MCA Public Relations.